And one more case, one last case, let's say, because I think main indication might be when we have only a single tooth gap, which is in more than 50% of the cases the case. So, but even when two molars are missing, it's, in my opinion, possible to do that. What you have to do then is to place two shells next to each other. Of course, you need then more screws, but you see how we really place them on distance, fill the space again with the chips, always same protocol. Yeah, once you have to learn it, but if you're able to do that, yeah, so it's a very, very predictable way of, bone augmentation. So we are waiting again 3.5 to 4 months, never wait longer than 4 months. And I think if you would not see now the screws, you would not, imagine that this is augmented bone, but it is. So it looks so natural, so physiological, so anatomical that, I'm always falling in love. And the nice method is also here, we can collect with this trephine actually also shells close to the recipient side. So we know in the future, we also might not even go to another donor side, but with the trephine, we can even stay in the recipient side. And I think the results look quite nice. We can remove now the screws again and place our implants